afternoon, everyone. The council Tuesday afternoon to our and all councillors and staff. You give us a bless, Mr. Truman. Thank you very much. Number one, do we have any apologies?
The body overseas.
We only see moved by councillor of interest, conflicts of interest that you'd go forward. Then one, assessment and report of this triennium.
To agenda item to the committees. There's project the change of previous reducing in some minds in terms of delegation.
Thanks. Regarding the committee.
Not a biggie, but committee we're missing a trick and bias, but the committee as well, because she understood up extra and added skill if she's spoken to that. I'd like to see her.
So we've got the chairperson to management and the Councillor John.
I've always had like this, for want of a better way. So committee but smaller.
What are the other cakes?
No, you're not on speak at the.
You don't have
Yes, the descriptions that we might miss and who lead, and if we're missing some, John could
for councillor reduction of
You can.
1, 2.
Of which one?
Yep.
So 2. There's accordingly.
Just in terms, as Mr. Biden accepted. Sorry, just through the councillor body name.
Yeah. On that, that would
be delighted.
Yeah. Anything else? No other questions? Suggested in the could I move quickly? All those against? 2 for chair.
I haven't further to this.
There's no change.
Yeah.
Could possibly workload there, so the process of the workload, respect the chair. It's quite an undertaking. Is it at the moment?
Can I just not pay our chair? So I think another time, because it is a huge.
Appreciate the suggestion. So review it.
We may future.
Yes, triennium. Easier than others. I think it's only if we look at it, it's taken up a lot.
Thank you.
Also moved by councillor. All those against? 3. 2 ringing waters and 16. Mr.
Automatic 3.1 down as 730 questions.
Sorry, signalled in unexpected because it said due to happen, and then so can you just
The long-term rules not
need a clarification?
Lewis. Okay, suggestion. 3 point security guard and noise services of 1 year. Sheriff Robinson. I want to question. Thank you, Mr. Robinson. Basically, good. All right, any Robinson? Sorry.
Question. See what you've got. Harking back previous privilege and a bit of editorial out to the market of you. Understand that.
January.
While he's so long.
You could just roll what we read through the difference to that extra year, allowing that year to do with this issue that we take is undue properly.
Mr. Chair, if I'm just which requirements for this contract have that tertiary, so and this will help in future.
So to clarify, at the end of this 1 year, roll it over again.
So, how before the tender, you want to yeah, plenty of time, all that sort of carrots. Thanks. Suggested recommendation for 1 year. Moved by council. All those in favour. Carried. Point 5 of officers.
I think we'll take the few matters. Second in the report and of a visual the financial service the Prime Minister the service and the report the award for this district and that was actually wasn't to the council, it was to the result of all of the it's an award and quite the other completion to the wastewater treatment a major piece to go now, so you'll see that will normally so pretty much there are any or matters that please feel free to.
Amigos here. Right.
Just with your audio about that, I'm interested in your strategy, which is can you obviously with interest rate with you and you'll on our got a just in this one on that still struggling corporate papers pretty sensitive June we find keep funds short driven by purchase with price once that price is extreme and we can make a short period of time.
The percentage.
Well, fluctuating we doing with years that of 80,000 and we Asia 6%. Since then we've booked an airport and an energy
percent 12.
Right. Or is it 100? Looking at the update, the used to be rise or net debt. Now it's not clear. So with the 200% clarity on, there must be net.
Okay.
One question
agreements, and just to give you that anything revenue 0% costs of tracking. The of expenditure, finance costs, you'll see there that's and over to is the operation activities that will be familiar with services, transports. It's just giving you of how we operate. That's giving the whole picture.
Any questions? Finance cost more. I'm just trying to. That's
Can I ask, do we have to look, operate, set ourselves?
So, more about that, more, but here we'll do a breakdown of savings as to provide in terms of some of those savings numbers, but over.
You don't very badly. It is the fact that we through the savings through if you don't quite circumstances another fuel savings and I'm quite sure whether that
Other organisations like doing, but process because savings in the actual business, them you won't find here whether you do.
yeah, we have that. I guess the test of that, if you do the last team of us staff,
we continue saying whether or not we'll invest in cost, fleet management, how do we do our demands of continual thing that we see them.
I guess part of that's reflected in the plan.
okay. Next page. Cousins. So double check that it's all. Put it down to what? Okay.
So you can't hear. Be famous. This is look at this microphone. Balance sheet stuff of which of capital expenditure. We're probably going to like solve this because it's ridiculous in terms of say we project start at 140 through, so it's so we'll get rid of that. More important than that, we're down of where those they're predominant as you'd expect. So it's into the first and regulatory work days, and that's a straight divide by cash flows, so that's there, but that the capex within by activity on these first within small you're tracking at there, a couple of graphs components of how they're tracking, see there on the rest, and explanation box see there that's been the regulatory price to anyone, and so it's and exactly where that yeah, readers in terms of the variance, that's how that works. Then activities, assistant things, the high levels and capital, and then what we'll do is of each of those group of likes of here to anything month stuff, so everything just looking at your message, I guess. So you was going to think that you wanted, please, Nick and Dana.
Any questions?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. And I'll get minutes about the report, which we'll see we've got this up every month. How you see that we're, as Alan, that's measure against of our treasury
Neil? Forward.
Yeah, I won't give you a specific area, but how we're looking at things that take a lot is so on we promise through service that we promise the community of them plan do that through a couple of page after page. They're probably quite a major project performance and the other finance. So when you think subscription, we would back of and give you have some information table on that project sheet. We would also have some information about CapEx listed infuse and anything. So what with that, we go through each group of that storm, but you'll also get the we've got listed down those commentary, and then underneath to do with water, cohesively stored. What we're also making sure is target your energy on. The new colours quite to really the time and energy. The thing to do with regards to this is instead of 100 measures done month, pull out the pull those and talk. What we've found is that 126 the month gained by the month after by being a lot on fixing will have a long way. The other reason that we've caught in this annual plan, so certainly going back is you buy proposing to actually perform a report for you to maintain that.
All right, you're okay. Thank you very much.
Question, please. Fancy Rivers with the other account own submission.
So yes, we are mission on or some issues won't be interesting on. So issues to appear in the fact that we're
Yeah. Okay.
Councillor Johns. So recommendation moved by Councillor. All those against. Councillor 6. Council 2006.
Why? We're changing, we wish to do
Some suggestions. Change. No particular.
I won't be here. Work for me. My contract. Meeting on Thursday. Get the workshop.
I look at the full sheet. I think of town as one day and then King, but also discussion and room rather than one or two people on that.
Anyone? I didn't get the work on Tuesday. Is it? Committees. But,
Tuesday.
So the issue is Tuesday. So it's difficult. You obviously, just
having a discussion. So I've on Thursday with the look through my top
Position.
Meetings on a Tuesday, big meeting is on,
Tuesday.
so that will put me out for
Wednesdays in. You know, a date, you know.
just through the
Like a mate when
I just
yeah.
nobody.
Nobody
Tuesday,
because of work commitments.
yes. You.
Yeah, I know. And now you're asking council for.
I'm not.
Music to, so you, what about the no? Yeah.
The Tuesday. We often Tuesday on a Thursday.
If the health is on a Tuesday, that maybe have a discussion.
Dates here.
Yes.
November. Okay. Yeah, well, that's induction.
Oh.
On 3 points to Tuesday, no, and then review. Okay, so by Councillor King.
Aye.
3 points. What are we doing here? Meeting back to Tuesday. Yeah. Coromandel.
Cycle challenge.
That cycle challenge take us for that. We'll just leave number one. Councillor Cousins. All those in favour, please. Carried.
Confidential.
Yes.
I just I think it's concise. I think it's
Council will be getting working on that as well. Yes, we'll do it at the moment, and we'll do it at one paper. Just see what to do either.
Scary. It's
The meeting move into conference and include Anne. Outlined. Moved by Councillor. All those in